decently. Whoa! Probably got a decent amount. So I'm probably gonna back up here in a second. There's scorpions on the wall. So okay, so we're in West Texas, and right now we are hiking up this mountain range, and we're gonna go to another abandoned mine. This one is an old tin mine, and along the way we're gonna be looking for snakes. We have a lot of targets in mind, and just so happens we've only been hiking for a few minutes now, and we already found a tarantula. So we'll show you that now. So right here we have some sort of tarantula. This could be the Texan brown tarantula. Not sure at all, but definitely a really neat find. You don't seem that defensive, but I don't know. Are you nice? Oh, okay. I just don't know how to read tarantulas as well as snakes. Oh, that scared the frick out of me. Okay, so technically this is tarantula number 3 for the night. And here's tarantula number 6, I believe. This one looks a lot lighter. Could be a different species. Okay, right here we have the western diamondback rattlesnake. We're not going to disturb him, but he is curled up. It was just raining not too long ago, and I'm sure he was getting a little soak and drinking in some water. And I bet he wouldn't mind if a little kangaroo rat came by, or any sort of rodent. He's starting to really notice I'm here. He's turning his head. So I'm probably gonna back up here in a second. But we're gonna continue on to the abandoned mine. I think I told you guys, but we are under threat of a potential severe lightning storm. So we're gonna hurry up over there and not spend too long with this guy. I don't even want to disturb him, but that is a beautiful snake and a great first find. Let's go see what else we can find. Okay, and here is another one. I'm kind of losing count, but definitely a different species. This one's a lot darker. It has been raining, but for some reason I was not expecting a little toad. This is a red spotted toad. Yeah, hi. Okay. I'm in the mine, and I'm sure the audio's bad because it is pushing quite a breeze in here. And there's scorpions on the wall, so that's not good. I might go a little deeper, see if I can see some snakes, but as of so far I haven't, so I'll take you with. Let's see what we can find. That is a deep dark hole. Yeah, these are just about everywhere. So don't know how long I'm gonna be in here for. All right, well, we made it in the mine, and that is really deep. Holy. Well, let's continue on past here a little bit. Let's see what we can find. Kind of hoping to see a snake. Would be a little bit of a tight quarters to do that, but still. Nothing up there. Oh, this is a little sketchy. Oh my goodness. Oh man, that is absolutely wild. We're like probably 50 feet deep in already. I'm not sure what that is. Oh, that stick of dynamite. Well, I don't know how far we're gonna go, but probably gonna turn around soon. Oh my gosh. Well, no snakes so far. I'm probably gonna get up out of here. This is not my favorite thing. But wow, that was a deep mine. All right, cool. Just noticed that we have some little bat friends in here. There's another one over here. Where is that? Right there. And there's another one down there, but I doubt you'll see it. But wow, that is this is quite the mine. I bet you there's snakes in here somewhere. We just gotta keep looking. All right, audio's probably terrible, and that light's blinded. The audio's probably terrible. We just got back from the mine. I think it's like 8 miles round trip. It has been terrible. I'm so tired. It is 12, maybe 12:30. It is getting late and we're almost halfway done. And we're hustling down this mountain. Bummed out there's no snakes in the mine, but outside the mine, we found one of the snakes that I wanted to see the most. Banded rock rattle. Let's go look at this.
So right here we have a stunning banded rock rattlesnake, and he's just curled up next to these agaves. I am being forced to do a voiceover on some of these clips because there's just random wind gusts from the storm that was coming in. And here he starts to tuck into one of these agave plants. He was probably bothered by our lights, but never really rattled, so I don't think he felt threatened.
That's a gorgeous snake right there.
This really is gorgeous.
Probably got a decent amount of film of him.
So yeah, this clip, the audio was just terrible. The wind just started picking up like crazy. Right there you can see he turned his head and started looking at me. It's because I put my hand a little close. And you can see he's flicking his tongue, trying to taste air and see what's going on. But here I'm talking about how cool of a snake this is. I'm just in awe. The grays on this, there's kind of like a slight greenish tint to him, and even maybe a little bit of a pinkishness to his tail. He's kind of covering it up like towards the base of his rattle. And I love the 2 little dots on the back of his head. And I was saying that he's probably just most likely curled up here hunting. Stuff was moving. There's probably banded geckos on the move, rodents. I saw a bunch of kangaroo rats, and he is probably just coiled up waiting for something to come by. Obviously we had to stop and get some film before we send him on his way and let him do his thing, but this snake was such a treat to find, and I can't wait till I find my next one.
Let's freaking go. Let's freaking go. Decently. Whoa. All right. So, we're getting somewhat closer back, And we just came across this decently sized gopher snake. I want to say he's 3 feet probably, maybe a little bit more, but maybe a little bit less. And he was in a prickly pear, so that was definitely a tricky situation. And then he went into one of these like mesquite thorny bushes, and now he's just chilling with us. So that is a really cool find. And if this is our last snake of the night, I am glad. This is such a cool snake. There's honestly still probably one more snake I would like to see here. I don't know if we'll see it, but that's the Trans-Pecos rat snake. And yeah, this is becoming a really great night. A lot of cool snakes out. Gorgeous snake. Gorgeous snake. Oh, that's stabbing my back. Oh, jeez, he jolts sometimes. So snake number 3, decently sized gopher snake. Oh, and okay. Here comes the lightning again, so we probably should keep going. I'm still so thirsty. I ran out of water like 2 hours ago. So, yeah, awesome snake, but...
And there's thunder.
There's the thunder. Awesome snake, but let's continue on. Let's see what else we can find. Let's let this little guy go right where he was. Really cool snake, really great find, and I think we're about to let him go. Back in this prickly pear over here. Don't know exactly where that was over here. All right. Oh, there he goes. He is off quick. All right, let's see what else we can find. We still probably have 2 miles. You can see the city way over there. Oh man, I'm tired and thirsty. He's probably gonna tuck in a hole, so that's my fault. I did not see that one. Like I'm saying, the tarantulas are absolutely everywhere. But this is the trail that we're walking on. Nice city views. Okay, here's another western diamondback rattlesnake. The lightning storm that we were concerned about is getting awfully close, so we are not going to stay with this guy long, and this is just about as much video as you're going to get of him. We already got one anyways, so I think that was another one. So we gotta go. That was another big lightning. Let's go. Well, this is not good. It's absolutely pouring. The lightning came probably like, I don't know, 1,000 feet from us, and we need to get out of here ASAP. Okay, that was insane. We just had a sprint like 1.5 miles to get out of that rainstorm. The lightning was probably 500 feet away from us, and while we were sprinting, we saw a western diamondback, and you'll probably see a little bit of film of that if it wasn't too bad. So we got to keep going. It's definitely heading this way. We're just ahead of it. Whew, eventful night.